Hey friends, family, how we doing? Thanks for tuning in to Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy. Appreciate you being here. My chair arm's getting in the way. Sorry. But yeah, guys, I wanted to jump on here and show you what I have created this week. It is the final of my Pam's group build, the modeling club I belong to here in Pensacola, Florida. I just completed my TV series group build. So let me get you turned around to the bench and I'll show you what I got. Hold up. Hey guys, back to the bench. Before we get down to the build, I want to show you something. Sorry about that, but I had to get you off the tripods. It's sort of a little small milestone for me. But yeah, let me show you at the laptop here. Let me grab my pointer. You can probably already tell, but see right here, 102 videos. I kind of figured I was going to get there, but I didn't know I was going to get there this quick. But yeah, 102 videos. I've already surpassed the 100 video mark. I think it's pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of it. And I wouldn't have gotten there without all of you guys that have helped me along the way and have subscribed and liked my videos and commented on the videos. It's a testament to the support I get from the community. And that support comes from each and every one of you subscribers and commenters and people who throw up the like button and just share the videos. And I just want to say I appreciate you. Thank you, each and every one of you. So on down to the build. Let me lower you down to the bench and we can get going with this thing. Just a second. There we go. Yeah. Shaggy's in the background saying hello. Hey, Shaggy. Speaking of Shaggy, you guys notice I have Scooby Stacks now. Pretty cool. At our last Pam's meeting, one of the members gave me a care package, and the Scooby Snacks was in the box. So, thank you, Alicia, for that. Appreciate it. Yeah, before we get started, I got a couple of shop cards if you guys don't mind. The first one is Jeff over at Bad Abby's Customs. Appreciate you sending out the card, Jeff. It's a really, really cool build you got going on there. I haven't been following you for probably 2 or 3 months now. I'm kind of new to your channel. But I'm going to go back on there and check out this Chevy van here. That's one of my Holy Grail kits. I want to get me an old Chevy van like that so I can build me a hippie van. But I have not been able to come across one of those kits. And when you do, it's way too expensive. But that's really cool. I like that mural you got on there. And this is that a Pro Street right there? Look, what is that? Is that I want to say Monte Carlo, but it looks like a Buick Grill. Anyhow, cool builds, man. Appreciate you sending out the card. Thanks, Jeff. And tell Abby we said hey. And he also sent out a couple of cool stickers. I like that. That's awesome. That's going down here with the rest of you guys. Thanks, Jeff, for sending out the card. If you guys haven't subscribed to Jeff, go on over to his channel over at Bad Abby Customs and tell him Shaggy sent you. Another one is Jim from over at Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. Jim's a pretty cool guy. He's doing a lot of those 1/8 scale builds. He did it was the Batmobile from the 1966 TV show, and he just got finished up with the Police Interceptor from Mad Max. It was the V8 Ford Falcon. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Jim, for sending out the stickers and the stickers. I got stickers. Cool. Look at my stickers. and the card. Appreciate the words on the back. And your card will be sent out here shortly, probably tomorrow. But yeah, guys, thanks for letting me do that. I just had to pay some bills there, I guess you could say. But all right, now down to the build. Let me show you show you guys what I got going on. Oop, hang on, let me see if I can get it. There we are. You know what? Let me do this a little better. Hang on. See if I can get a little closer for you guys. There we go. That's a little better. So yeah, this is my Mayberry Squad Car. I haven't charged my turntable, so I got to do it with a manual turntable. Hope you guys don't mind. But I think it turned out pretty well. It's the 1961 Ford Galaxie Hardtop. This kit here. That's what I started with, and it's a 2-door, so I turned that kit into a 4-door Mayberry Barney Fife and Andy Taylor Squad Car Cruiser. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment down here in the description. Tell me how you think I did. I think it's pretty cool. The black paint didn't turn out as well as I thought, but we're gonna go with it. I mean, it's one of those 6-foot models, you know, standoff 6 foot. It looks great. But anyhow, guys, I think it turned out pretty well. I mean, it's I'm not sure if I've showed you guys the picture of it and I'll put it up right here. I'll put up a picture of the actual car from the show right here. You guys can see check the comparison of what I've been geez, I can't speak tonight. Good Lord. I can show you guys a comparison of what I wanted it to look like. So, but as far as the kit, the kit is a box stock. Well, no, it's not box stock. Good Lord, listen to me. It is a curbside kit. In other words, there's no engine. Let me show you what's going on with the bottom here. It was a screw bottom kit. See, it's got screws there and screws there. So that means there's, and I've detailed the underside to make it look like there is an engine there. It's got a, the Ford Blue body paint, or Ford Blue engine paint on there. Good Lord, I cannot speak tonight, guys. And I weathered the bottom. It's got a little dust and dirt on it. Of course, those dirt roads in Mayberry, you know, you're going to have that. And let's see. And I painted the interior sort of like a off green color, like what you would find in some of the older cars from the 60s. And you guys in my last video saw how I did the upholstery on the seats. See if I can put a little bit more light in there so you guys can see that a little better. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's better. Probably would have been better had I not filmed this at night, but anyhow. Let me put this back down here and take the phone off the tripod and get you guys a little bit closer view. Hopefully I can show that. But yeah, you see the little whip antenna there? I made that using some of this stuff. I bought this at Michael's. It's 24 yards of 28 gauge steel wire. They use it for jewelry making, so that's what I use for this. And I had a club member give me a CB radio antenna that he bought out of that he got out of another kit. And the base here. Let's see if I can get this right. If it'll focus. Of course, there we go. Yeah, just right here. It's the little spring. See the springs? That was part of the kit that came with that CB antenna. As you guys can tell, the little CB radios inside there. And I was doing some research on them. Back in the day, those things were painted white. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And then there's more of that jewelry material for the antenna in the front. And this little light on top here, that came from Josh over at BCG Resins. You can get that on his website. It's pretty cool. What else? Oh, the decals. I made the decals myself, in-house. Downloaded an image from the internet and printed them out on my personal computer. Or my laptop, whatever. And if you guys notice, there's something on the seat. Let me turn around to the other side and show you what's on the seat there. But yeah, I figured I'd throw in a local Mayberry newspaper. See if you guys can zoom in on that. Yep, there we go. Deputy 5 Hero in Cave Rescue from the Mayberry Gazette. I thought that was pretty cool. See, picture of Barney sitting on the front page. And also put one of my shop cards in this car. And I'm going to start doing that. I think it's a pretty cool idea. I took one of my shop cards and shrunk it down and put it on the seat of the car. So, and also did I did another version of a newspaper. Let me show you that. Local barber captures escaped convicts. Floyd, the barber. I haven't seen that episode yet. I plan on watching it, but I thought that was pretty cool. This right here shows you, see my big old fat finger? Shows you the size of those newspapers. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. Sorry for bouncing the camera around, guys, but I like it. Little Mayberry Squad Car. Let me know your thoughts, guys, on the build I got going here. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good myself. I'm proud of it. If I can zoom back out a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, that's a little better. Give it another little spin, and I used some of that fusion firm and did the Ford emblem up front with the fusion firm right there in front, and I used the fusion firm to go around the trim. Turned out pretty well, and I did some black wash on the hubcaps and black wash on the front grille, black wash on the rear grille. And it's kind of cool because the color of the interior made the glass look like it's got that green tint to it. You know, some of the older glass from back in the days hadn't had that green tint. So I really like this build. It's a great build, and I would highly recommend this kit. Kit went very well together. As long as it'll focus. And the spotlight here, that came out of my it was in my parts stash. So yeah, everything came with the kit except for the spotlight, the emergency light, and the antennas. And I didn't alter it too much. I just added 4 doors, and I put a B pillar in here on both sides, because you can't have a 4-door without a B pillar. Unless it's a convertible hardtop, which that's not what this is. But, well, it probably could be, but I made it into a 4-door. But anyhow, enough of me rambling, guys. Let me get you put back in the tripod so you're not getting seasick anymore. Just 1 second, guys. There we go. Now then, that's a little better. Thanks, guys, for tuning in, and I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. I appreciate all the subscribers and the people watching my videos, and I'm going to keep more coming. I just have to figure out what I'm going to do them on. But yeah, that's my little spiel about the Mayberry Squad Car. Put this behind it, see if you can see it a little better. Nope, you can't. But anyhow, there it is, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm gonna drop this video probably Thursday. Yeah, we will see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you tuning in. And remember, keep the stash growing and the air blowing. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.